And breaking news has just coming in. The cryptocurrency industry is in a panic mode post the government announcing a bill on its regulation. The industry has urged the government now to take a nuanced approach towards regulating crypto assets in India and asked investors in the country to remain calm and not arrive at a rushed conclusion. My colleague Rishik also joins us right now from the newsroom to get you more reactions and insight into what we know about this. You know, Rishika, this has been a story that has generated a lot of interest, a lot of traction, particularly on the social media. And the moment this news came that, the government possibly could be looking at banning almost all private cryptocurrencies in the country, we've seen the prices literally crashing down.
Right, there has been some concern among crypto investors and those who invest in the market about how this will impact their business, about how this will impact their trading in cryptocurrency. I'll quote what BuyUcoin CEO Shivam Thakral has said. He said that the bill, it should be flexible enough for young blockchain projects to flourish, and that they strongly believe there is a strong case for a standard process for new cryptocurrencies before they get listed on any exchange in India for trading. So we must remember that the government will be planning this bill, will be tabling this bill in the parliament after intensive discussions with a lot of experts, with various stakeholders. But the bill has sparked some concern among in the lobby, in the crypto market investors. So the government will be looking to address all of those concerns when it does bring the bill in the parliament. And I'll get you some more quotes of what these people are saying. They're saying that popular crypto assets like Bitcoin will be pre-approved by the regulators for getting listed on the exchange. They've also requested the government to give immediate clarity on the taxation and filing of crypto assets. We should remember that the government will be listing crypto as an asset and it won't be a currency when it brings in the bill. So CoinSwitch Kuber founder Ashish Singhal says the industry has been communicating actively with all stakeholders, keeping investor protection at the forefront. So that's what we're getting from the industry as of now. We will keep getting some reactions from the government when it does introduce the bill in Parliament. There'll also be some intensive debate in the House. So we'll be looking forward to that.
Oh yes, and Rishika, as always, Republic will lead the coverage on that big story. A lot of interest also coming up on republicworld.com, where people and viewers can actually go and read more on the story. For the moment, thank you.